Sorry, boy. Very nice. Dang, it's been a fucking couple months since I seen the bad girl.
Whoa.
Hard to talk. Very nice. Sugar and spice. So, Jack stole my filmer. So, now a big Facebook guy.
Yeah, Austin got kicked out, so now he's we're van life.
That's right, yeah, I hired a new filmer. Yeah.
Okay,
she's inside sleeping.
I got the offcuts of the meat. Need some food. I'll get him right.
A couple Powerades, he's good to go. Oh, he doesn't even fucking know. Shitworks. What's going on here?
So see everybody, this is for getting real interviews, getting the microphone.
Alright, we're just draining all of the old fuel out of the wagon. Jack's got some fresh fuel for me. I've then got a shit ton more in Travis's trailer. Still got some Renegade fuel. But once I've drained this, literally plugs, fuel, fire it up, and fucking fingers crossed it's good to go. So, Shannon, the freaking legend, hooked us up with a fresh set of plugs. What a legend. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Obviously, if you don't know Shannon from the hobby shop, of course you do, but he's got the Blown 34. And then Frosty now works at their shop too. This thing's full Aussie spec now. Fucking sick. Alright, new plugs. Well, I guess it's ready to start then. Now I gotta give it a clean. Look at this service. Even freaking helps change the plugs. What a gentleman. What a gentleman. Alright, we'll fire this thing up now and see how she goes. So the wagon hasn't been washed in 6 months, so found a hose next to the shed where they mount all the tyres and everything, so we'll just give her a quick wash before there's too many people here and we're in the way. We come back from fucking washing the wagon, and Jacko, the legend, has spin me tyres for me.
Maybe I cut through his rim, but we got that.
That's alright. You get that in big jobs. Yeah. Alright, we're going to go sign Rochelle in so she can go get her VIP pass. Ooh, look at the wagon in that sun. That is hot. I'm surprised that stayed on the roof. Yeah. Damn, it looks good to be a gangster. Oh yeah, I missed her. Alright, so now that we've got Rochelle signed in and then the car's washed, it's got new spark plugs, Jack was a legend and fit my tyres. I'll change the oil before we skid. But other than that, good to go really. You put it on show for a couple hours when they open the gates so the crowd can come and see the cars. But then when it's time to bring it back in, I'll just quickly jack it up, change the oil, and Bob's your dad's sister's brother. So thankfully, Renegade Fuels has us hooked up yet again with the best methanol I reckon that the car's ever seen. Whew. Luckily Travis was nice enough to keep it in the trailer for us. But yeah, get some fuel ready for the wagon, and just methanol, bolt the wheels on. Good to go, daddy. Alrighty, two things. You can drive this car. You can drive Clickbait. If you want to drive Clickbait, download the Burnout Masters game and you can rip this thing even at the Freedom Factory yourself. Second thing, we have new merch and it's on the website, mickhinchy.com. Alright, let's go back to it. Alright, so
First things first, this is America.
I'm trying to rush to finish, get the wagon ready, but it seems like the show's starting. So try and film it from here real quick.
Guys, count it down to 10 to see what is inside this box.
It's slammed.
A new spark. What do we got going on here? This ain't your ordinary. This is a special spark. What do we got inside there, brother? What the heck is this? There's a Turbo 400. Shit. How is that Turbo 400 in a Chevy Spark? What's under the hood? Hold on. Tell me there's a big block under here or an LS or something. Oh, there's a big block!
No way! That's fucking crazy.
Big block Chevy Spark. Basically a promo. How did you guys build a big block Spark behind my back?
That's so cool.
Cameron Johnson, you son of a gun!
That's so sick. Big block in a Chevy Spark. Alright, so we're watching the open class at the moment, and Shannon's up next in the Skyline, so this should be pretty good. It sounds sick, new like everything's meant about this, it should be awesome. How crazy is this? That is sick. That is sick. No, I was getting you in it. Insane, yeah. Great burnout. Great burnout.
Yeah, really did a good burnout
Yeah,
for the first time out.
yeah. We're moving up now. It's almost time for go time. Yeah, it's go time.
I know the brakes on.
You ready? Yeah.
I'm ready.
Oh, is that neighbour shutting off there?
Might be the best chair in the house. What up, Henry?
What are you doing?
I'm drinking some Coors Light.
Some Coors Light?
Drinking and watching the burnouts from the best seat in the house.
You look very sunburned on this camera. You literally match the couch.
Oh, man.
You match the
I was
couch.
just thinking I was turning red.
Yeah, that's great.
I'm gonna look Mexican by the end of the day. I'm Mexican, that's what I'm saying.
Well, we're still sitting in the same spot. Every single car has either blown up or oiled the track down, a massive cleanup. We would have been done friggin' half an hour ago, and then two people snuck in front of us, so we would have been next as well. Right. Annoying. I just want to skid, boy. So, I don't know if you can see it. Right there, the hose came off the vacuum pump. Literally had 0 brakes after like 10 seconds in the run. Could not control it. Could not get it to do whatever I wanted. So, nosed into the wall, which then turned us and fucking put us into the wall here. That's not that. I don't think the big wheels will go back on now. I'm sick of having brake issues. I tell you what, that is so fucking annoying. So annoying. But yeah, pretty much. Once you instantly turn into survival mode, once the brakes are gone, I'm just in pure survival mode. So driving around, just trying to get the tires off. Literally, that's it. I can't see a thing. Don't know if I'm close to a wall. So I literally just try and do donuts. Just try and get the fucking tires off. But either way, it should be not easy to fix, but it's very fixable. All the expensive stuff still works. Car still runs. Car still drives. Just at a zombie garage, we're gonna have to pull out that quarter, bog it, and then obviously because I've got no paint, we'll just do some themed kind of vinyl wrap over that area. So see how it goes. Oh, I can hear Jacko now. I'm assuming it'll be like Travis, Craig, Jack, I would assume.
No, everyone knows.
Yeah, everyone's waiting.
Everyone knows.
Yeah, Craig.
You're up, my boy. Come on, Jacko. My boy. My boy, let me ride on your boat tomorrow, my boy. Come on, Jacko. We'll debut carry you out.
Yeah!
Back to back.
Big muscle man.
Somebody picked it up. Don't worry.
Fucking hell. That is so good. That is good. Yeah, Jackie! Oh, so as I just said in the last clip, I don't know how I'm going to get the big wheels on there. And then I was looking at it and I was like, I'm going to squeeze Jack in there. So come here closer. Let's see how far we can get this dog out. No way! What the fuck?